EagleRidge, your trusted roofing contractor in Kaysville, Utah. EagleRidge, the leading roofing contractor in Kaysville, Utah, provides comprehensive residential and commercial roofing services in the 84037 area and surrounding zip codes. With decades of experience, certified technicians, and a commitment to quality, EagleRidge specializes in roof installations, repairs, and maintenance using various materials, including asphalt shingles, metal, tile, and flat roofing systems. EagleRidge specializes in roof installations, repairs, and maintenance using various materials, including asphalt shingles, metal, tile, and flat roofing systems. Their thorough inspections, timely repairs, and professional installations guarantee weather-resistant, long-lasting protection for properties. EagleRidge prioritizes customer satisfaction, transparent communication, and attention to detail in all projects. Their rigorous training programs and regular inspections ensure that all work meets the highest standards of performance. Discover why EagleRidge is the trusted choice for Kaysville's roofing needs. EagleRidge provides residential roofing services, including new roof installations, roof repairs and maintenance, roof replacements, roof inspections, storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installation and repairs, ice and water shield installations, soffits and fascia installations and repairs, shake shingle sealing and treatment, and installation and maintenance of all types of shingles. They also offer siding installation and repair, ventilation solutions, including attic and roof ventilation, swamp cooler installations and removal, as well as sealing and caulking to enhance energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial clients, EagleRidge provides commercial roof installations and replacements, the EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan, preventative maintenance programs, flat roof repair and installations, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend roof life, soffits and fascia services for commercial buildings, siding installation and maintenance for commercial properties, ventilation solutions for commercial buildings, and swamp cooler installations and removal at commercial sites. EagleRidge is Utah's premier roofing and construction expert, proudly serving the Wasatch Front. Call us at 801-784-1457 to discover why our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes us the top choice for all your roofing needs in Kaysville.